Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to give you a BTC update. We're going to be going through what's happened with Bitcoin, how it's banged up out of nowhere on the short term, the mid-term. Then we're going to be touching on some of my premium indicators because we made so much goddamn money yesterday. So well done to everyone in the CC community who was following those indicators and did really well there and basically capitalized on this massive pump to the upside here. We're also going to be looking at my trade of the day today, which is going to be something on XRP, guys. And we're currently, I think it's like 7 trades successful in a row, and we will go through yesterday's trade as well. So not going to keep you guys too long. If you like the content, smash a like on it. It does help me out tremendously. And also, guys, the comment section is for you. If you're looking for a community, guys, top right-hand corner, there's a nice little Telegram community there. You can join that. It's absolutely free. We're a tight-knit community if you are looking for a crypto family to join. Moving on to Bitcoin, as you can see on the short-term time frame here on the hourly, guys, we were looking at this falling parallel channel for quite a while. We had a measure move to the upside here, very nice indeed, 1.12%, and a measure move to the downside, 1.16%. We were talking about this yesterday and the chance of this actually happening. I said it's probably going to bounce up fairly soon, and we were looking at the directional movement index to see how much this was trending, and it wasn't trending at all. And this is the thing. It basically just came down very violently to around 18,000 and propelled straight the way up with force. I'm talking so much momentum. It was actually quite hard to catch a few of the positions, but made copious amounts of cash, and I will be going through that very shortly. But yeah, talking about what we're actually looking at now, guys, it's overextended for Bitcoin. We have actually banged it up considerable amount from top to bottom here, around 10% for Bitcoin. Very good stuff to see it that volatile and bouncing up in terms of a level of support there. And we are forming a nice parallel range here on the midterm time frame, which I will go into in a second. But what I'm looking for now for Bitcoin on the short-term time frame is actually a pullback, guys. We can't climb Mount Everest like this with so much momentum, a 10% move to the upside without a significant pullback. We need a nice higher low in there. Otherwise, we're going to keep climbing, and then we're going to crash. We need to hit base camp 1, and we need to consolidate along, climbing Mount Everest there, and then we can actually continue up to base camp 2, right? So, what I'm sort of looking for here is essentially a pullback to probably the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement here for Bitcoin here on the short-term time frame. In terms of a price for that, it is going to be around 19.5, which is absolutely doable, guys. If you literally think back to a few weeks back, we were literally sat around this area pretty much. We have been here for a long time, between 20k and 18k, right? So it's absolutely doable for a pullback, and it still will be healthy to the upside. So just be aware of that, guys. Going through some indicators right now, and just be aware that it is very overly extended right now. I wouldn't be getting into anything right now unless we do see a nice pullback. In terms of the MACD, guys, we are seeing this this uptrend basically start to fizzle out, looking for that bullish crossover coming through as well. So that's an indication that we are going to see a bit more downwards momentum. Looking at the directional movement index, guys, you can see also we did have that bullish crossover with the ADX well above the 25 and 20 level on the hourly here, and that was currently around 35. So it shows how strong the trend is going to be. The trend has actually bounced here on the ADX, and it basically shows that it's looking like we could actually see a nice uptrend here. So it's definitely something to be looking out for there. And you can see we've got the negative down here, we've got the positive down here. We're still miles away from this crossover. So until I see that crossover, I'm going to be bullish on the micro here. I would like as I said, I'm bullish on sort of the trend for the micro, but I would like a pullback to set that higher low, because we can't have a nice fluid trend without a successful market structure. You can see we're overly extended on the RSI, so probably a pullback is needed into the bullish control zone. Not quite there yet, but I would expect a pullback to come through fairly shortly on the short term. Not going to keep you guys too long. Let's get bang through this. I'm going to jump to the 4-hour time frame now and show you guys what I'm thinking, because a lot of you know that I was short from around this 19.324 area, and I basically left my position on, hit 2 take profits there, and then this was yesterday, last time that we spoke here, in my 2 take profits, and it was very risky whether we were going to actually propel up or just have continuation to the downside, right? Still very feasible with this measure move coming down like so. As you can see, this is the measure move, and you can see we actually completely propelled down. This is why I left it on stop loss at break even, and we just banged it all the way down, hit multiple take profits there, completed the measure move, closed my position, all good stuff coming through from there. Now where we are right now in terms of this trend line to the upside here, you can see the level of support on this side here, the level of support on this side here, level of support on this side here, and also the consolidation that we did find here before. Now, after seeing such a significant pump to the upside, I really would expect a pullback, guys. We need to have a pullback to at least 19,500, and then maybe even tapping down to 19,300. So be aware for that. Now, the range that I was just talking about here on the shorter term time frame, let me just get rid of this TA for a second. It is going to be like so, guys. It's going to be like so. You can see this top side here and this bottom side here in terms of this parallel channel. We definitely need to be really looking out for that. And as you can see, this is the range that we're currently working in now, guys. You can see what we could be potentially looking for, even if we're looking for the upwards resistance to the top side. That's going to be between 20,000 and 18,000. So this is sort of what we're playing with now. If we're talking about measure moves here, guys, I want to be seeing something along the lines of this to the upside if we are going to see us bang it up. And then we are going to be testing very key Fibonacci areas here. So there's definitely a few things to be looking out for there, because we could see resistance at around 22k. And also we do have this parallel channel forming the resistance at this 0.236 Fibonacci retracement, and that is going to be 20,300, guys. So if we have still got room in the tank for a bit more momentum to the upside, then I would expect 20,300 to be tapped there before a significant pullback inside of this range. If we do bang it, I would be interested in a long here. I would be interested in a long, but I want to see a nice bit of confirmation that we're going to break 20,400 before I'm going to do that. Now, also to the downside, if we do break down, guys, the measure move down that's been created now is going to be down to around 16,300. That is breaking the all-time low for the bear market currently of around 17,600. So that's definitely an area that I want to be looking out for there, guys. That's going to be Bitcoin. Let's move on to some indicators that I use, guys, and I just want to show you how successful these have been over the last day or so. You can see this lovely juicy buy signal coming through from here. Very, very strong stuff indeed. Still up around 4.47% for that. This is a swing position, guys. It's the ultra swing package, so it is a swing position. I'm going to be holding this for a long time. I've already hit multiple take profits there, so it is a risk-free position. Stop loss is at entry at around 18,900, so I've already made money here. Really, really good stuff. Moving on to the premium scout package. Same scenario came through on the hourly here, and it just absolutely banged it up with momentum, crossing the NTF, crossing the price action channel, crossing the 200. It was unbelievable gains coming through as soon as we saw that buy signal. So again, well done to everyone that made profit who is in those groups currently, guys. And if you are interested in joining those groups, jump into the Telegram. It is in the top right-hand corner, and drop me a message on there, and I can sort that out for you. Moving on to the trade of the day, guys. Trade of the day today that we're going to be looking out for is going to be a bit of XRP. So XRP on the hourly, guys, you can see we have got a lovely, lovely support on the lower side. You can see the resistance on the top side is being formed. It's an upward sloping parallel channel. Upward sloping parallel channels, guys, they tend to usually break to the downside. So we've got 2.8% on the cards to be taken. Yes, there is quite a few moving averages in the way. There is. Okay, I'm not naive to this fact. There is a few moving averages in the way. I'm just going to be using these for take profits, right? I'm just going to be using these for take profits, and it's going to be a pretty messy ride. But if we do just get a nice candle body close, a very nice solid one, then we will just see us dump down quite nicely and then bounce and probably test all these moving averages before bouncing up considerably. Look at the 4 hour quickly. It's the same sort of scenario. So yeah, we do have the 10 simple coming up as well. So yeah, I would expect to come down and test these areas for XRP. And if we do get this in a row, guys, we're going to be looking at around 7. No, this will be the 8th successful trade in a row. Let's move on to what we did see yesterday for the trade of the day, and that was Rune, guys. I saw people in the Telegram group making absolutely copious amounts of cash on this. Really, really good stuff. You can see what we were looking for. It was the falling parallel channel here, and we were either looking for the downside move or the upside move. We did get the downside move pretty much perfectly. Look at this candle body close here, guys. Stop loss way above here, around that 21 EMA. That sort of area, and you can see we just propelled down with confidence, smashing all take profits, completing the measure move before propelling back up. I saw people actually in the Telegram group longing the bottom here and actually making money on it on the bounce to the upside. So amazing stuff. Well done for that, guys. You did really, really well. So yeah, that's going to be it from the video today, guys. Do appreciate it. If you want to see more of my updates every single weekday, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. You will be notified when I upload a video. It's all good stuff there, guys. And if you did enjoy the content, smash a like on that. And if you've got an opinion, leave it in the comments section as well. But for now, it's going to be peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester. I will see you tomorrow.